Most people buying a used car under $12,000 are making the same mistake. They go straight for the Camry, the Civic, the Corolla, and they overpay for a name. But right now, there are 4 cars sitting on lots and private listings that are just as reliable, just as capable, and in some cases better, for thousands less. And almost nobody is talking about them. Today, I'm giving you the 4 cheap cars that data actually backs, the ones the market is sleeping on. We're covering 4 models across different segments: sedans, a hatchback, an SUV, all available under $12,000 in today's market, all with real reliability data behind them. If you want to stretch your dollar without gambling on a lemon, this is your video. And if you're new here, we don't take sponsorships. No dealership money, no brand deals, just the data. Hit subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss the next one. Let's get into it. Number 4, Mazda 6, 2014-2017. While everyone's camping on Honda Accord listings, the Mazda 6 is sitting right next to it. Same class, same capability, for $3,000 to $4,000 less. And that gap makes 0 sense when you look at the data. J.D. Power gave the 2016 Mazda 6 a 5 out of 5 in predicted reliability. Consumer Reports has consistently ranked it above average. Owners on RepairPal report annual maintenance costs averaging around $400. That's lower than the Accord and the Camry. You're getting a genuinely premium interior, Mazda's Skyactiv engine that's proven to hold up past 200,000 miles, and one of the sharpest driving sedans in this price range. The one caveat? Parts can be slightly harder to source than Toyota or Honda components, and independent shops may be less familiar with it. Nothing deal-breaking, just worth knowing. Number 3, Kia Optima, 2013-2015. Here's where people check out. They hear Kia and they assume the worst. That's exactly the outdated thinking that's costing buyers money. The third-generation Kia Optima, the 2013 to 2015 range specifically, was built during a period when Hyundai Kia had completely overhauled their quality control. J.D. Power's 2015 Vehicle Dependability Study ranked the Optima above the segment average. At this price point, you're typically getting a car with 80,000 to 110,000 miles that still has solid life left in it. The 2.4-liter naturally aspirated engine is the one you want. Avoid the turbocharged trim for long-term ownership. The exterior design still looks modern. The interior holds up. And because of the stigma, depreciation has bottomed out, meaning you're not going to lose much more. The con? Check the engine carefully. Some 2013-2015 Theta 2 engines had issues, though the 2.4L GDI in the Optima was less affected than in some other Kia and Hyundai models. Pull a Carfax. Get a pre-purchase inspection. Do that, and you've got a genuinely undervalued sedan. We've still got 2 cars to go, including an SUV that Consumer Reports actually ranks higher than the RAV4 at this price point. You'll want to stick around for that one. Number 2, Honda Fit, 2009-2014. This one gets dismissed constantly because of how it looks. Small, boxy, boring. And that dismissal is making smart buyers very happy. The Honda Fit is one of the most reliable small cars ever built, full stop. Consumer Reports has named it a top pick repeatedly. RepairPal gives it a reliability rating of 4.5 out of 5.0, top 3 among all subcompacts. The 1.5-liter engine in this generation is almost indestructible. It's not unusual to see these cars cross 200,000 miles with basic maintenance. And the interior space, because of Honda's magic seat system, is genuinely shocking for the footprint. At under $8,000, you're buying a car that will start every single morning and ask you for almost nothing in return. Insurance is cheap, fuel economy is exceptional, and because people underestimate it, resale holds better than you'd expect. The con is straightforward. It's not fast, it's not flashy, and if highway cruising is your main use case, the engine can feel strained. This is a city and suburban car at heart. Number 1, Mazda CX-5, 2014-2016. This is the one that should genuinely shock you. A compact SUV, under $12,000, that Consumer Reports ranked higher than the Toyota RAV4 and Honda CR-V in the same generation for owner satisfaction and reliability. Let that sink in. RAV4 and CR-V at this mileage range in this budget? You're fighting over them. They're overpriced precisely because everyone knows they're good. The CX-5 is just as good, and the market hasn't fully caught on. The first generation CX-5 from 2014 to 2016 runs the Skyactiv G 2.0 or 2.5-liter engine, both well-proven powertrains with minimal reported issues. Annual maintenance costs average around $450 according to RepairPal, cheaper than the RAV4. J.D. Power gave it above-average reliability scores consistently, and the driving dynamics put it in a completely different league from other compact SUVs. It actually feels good to drive. The caveat, and it's minor, is that infotainment in these early models is dated. There's no CarPlay, no Android Auto. If that matters to you, budget for an aftermarket unit. That's a few $100s, not a reason to walk away. The most reliable used car you can buy isn't always the most popular one. Popularity drives up price. What you want is quality that the market is undervaluing. And right now, the Mazda 6, the Kia Optima, the Honda Fit, and the Mazda CX-5 are exactly that. So here's my question for you. Drop it in the comments. Which of these four would you actually drive? Or is there an underrated used car you swear by that didn't make this list? Let's hear it. If this video saved you some research time, subscribe. We drop content like this every week. And if you want to go deeper,